everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Celestine, and I'm back with another video. Today I will teach you how to draw 3 delicious mouth-watering ice creams. If ice cream is one of your favorite foods, you can draw this and frame it somewhere in your kitchen for decoration. It is very simple and easy to do. Just follow along. You will need A4 printer paper, a pencil, and some coloring pens. Let's begin! So, by starting with a small line and a big, long line, so it doesn't matter if your lines are not that exactly straight or if they're a little bit wonky. Don't worry, because when you color in, it will improve. Next, I'm going to do the cream. So, a big round mountain. Now I'm going to do the sploshy bit, because some ice creams have this kind of chocolate liquid, anything that goes on top of the ice cream. And I'm doing it for my next one. But for my third one, I'm not going to do it because it's going to be a bit more different. And this one, the first one, is going to be mint flavor. So I'm going to add a bit of mint here and there. And I'm going to add a few toppings. For my next one, this time it has a really thick waffle and this chocolate stick. It also has a bit of colorful rainbow sprinkles. And for my last one, it's also going to have sprinkles, but in a different color. And finally, now I'm going to do the cherry. I'm also going to add some crisscrosses on the cone. These are my 3 amazing ice creams. It looks pretty simple, but when you color it in, it will look outstanding. For my ice creams, I'm going to do the cone, and then I'm going to do the top bit last. To make it a little bit more colorful, I'm going to add some lines on the cone. This one is going to be chocolate, so the lines are going to be brown. And these lines are going to be pink because the flavor is going to be strawberry. Strawberry flavor used to be my favorite. Finally, I'm going to do my flavors. This is mint chocolate chip flavor. So this bit is going to be brown, and then the toppings are going to be bright green. Now, I'm going to color in my next flavor. This time it's going to be chocolate ice cream. So the chocolate ice cream is going to be there, and then there's going to be something on top, which is the liquid. And now I'm going to do the chocolate part. Now the rainbow sprinkles. Now I am going to do the waffle bit and the chocolate stick. And finally, the chocolate stick. And now for my final one, I'm going to do the strawberry flavored ice cream. So it only has a few toppings. It doesn't need this. Now I'm coloring the toppings, which looks a little bit like a strawberry, and then after this I'm going to do the cherry. And finally I'm going to do the cherry. And of course the brown bit at the top. Boop. These are my 3 mouth-watering ice creams. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today. Go ahead and try my fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Keep drawing and being creative. Watch out for my next exciting video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye!